Hello, friends, young engineers, and Gen Excel wizard. Welcome back to Structural Design Only, a channel with a different vision. I am PS Chaturji. Today, our channel touches another milestone. Yes, another milestone. Today marks the 6th anniversary of Structural Design Only, with our journey having officially started on the 11th of August, 2020. When the world was full of agony and anxiety, filled with the constant question, who will be the next target of the pandemic? We began. We are steadily growing with your incredible support, having crossed the 4,200 plus subscriber count. Now, we are looking forward to our next big goal, 5,000 subscribers. At this wonderful junction, today is the time for the premiere of Strapped Footing with Biaxial Moments. Excel Automation Part 03. If you are watching a video on structural design only for the very first time, and you haven't subscribed yet, joining us today would be the absolute best anniversary gift you could give the channel. To help you get up to speed, I am opening up a few options right in front of you. Option number 1, Strapped Footing Design with Biaxial Moments, Excel Automation. Part 01. Option number 2, Strapped Footing with Biaxial Moments, Excel Logic Breakdown Part 02. Other than this, on this channel you are going to find several civil engineering related videos, starting from bar bending schedules and steel trusses, and, as usual, comprehensive RCC structures. Just head over to the playlists and start your journey. Not only that, for the Gen Excel wizard, several basic to advanced Excel demonstrations with clear explanations on VBA logic are waiting for you. Go and explore the playlists to become a next generation professional Excel wizard. Additionally, you are going to get free designing Excel sheets. To get your free Excel sheet, please check the How to Get Your Free Excel Sheet section in the description below. Follow the instructions carefully so I can get the file delivered straight to your inbox as quickly as possible. Thank you for being part of this amazing 6-year journey. Let's build the future together.